Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learning with Maurya. Myself, Pawan Maurya. USN is 1V20IS 030 of Department, Information Science and Engineering, studying in third year, Engineering from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today we will be discussing about traffic engineering and subject code is 18CV652. In this particular subject, we will mainly discussing about the statistical application in traffic studies and traffic forecasting. So let's start. In this traffic engineering, we are having one topic which is known as the statistical application in traffic studies and traffic forecasting. Let's move towards the introduction of the statistical application in traffic studies and traffic forecasting. Here, introduction of the statistical forecasting. Statistical method and find important application in traffic engineering. So statistical methods are a powerful tool to analyze and interpret the data. Probability distribution. It gives the probability of arrival of the vehicles for the given particular time. Mean, standards, deviation, and variations. It is very much helpful in analyzing the spot speed data. Poisson and binomial distribution. One of the relationship of traffic engineering find extremely useful in dealing with the random properties of the traffic is the Poisson distribution. The data pertaining to the arrival pattern of a vehicle at a toll booth are considered as a Poisson distribution. Normal distribution. The normal distribution has a number of useful applications in traffic engineering. One of the illustrative example of the normal distribution in this is in the speed of the vehicle. Regression and correlation. To establish a relationship between two or more variable and to check the correlation and compatibility between the variables. Traffic studies and traffic forecasting really heavily on statistical analysis to make a prediction and a recommendation. Statistical models are used to analyze traffic patterns, identify trends, and forecast for future traffic volumes. These models take into account a variety of factors such as population growth, economic development, and chances in land use. Statistical application in traffic studies and traffic forecasting also include the use of data visualization tools to help communication, finding, and recommendation to decision maker. Graphs, charts, and map can be used to present complex data in a way that is easy to understand and interpret. Introduction to traffic studies. Traffic studies are an important tool for the understanding the behavior of the drivers and the vehicle on road. This studies involves collecting data on traffic volume, speed, and other variables in order to identify patterns and trends. Statistical analysis is a key component of traffic studies as it allow researcher to make a sense of a large amount of data and draw meaningful conclusion. One important application of traffic studies in this design and planning of transportation infrastructure. By analyzing traffic patterns and forecasting of future demands, engineers can design road, highway, and intersection that are safer, more efficient, and better studied suited to the needs of the drivers. Data collection method. There are several methods used to collect data for traffic studies, including manual count, video surveillance, and automatic traffic records. Manual count involves trained observers recording the number and type of vehicle passing through a specific location over a set period of time. Video surveillance uses cameras to capture footage of traffic, which can be analyzed later to determine traffic volume and speed. Automatic traffic records use a sensor embedded in the road to detect the presence and speed of the vehicle. These sensors can provide real-time data on traffic flow but may not capture all types of vehicle or accurately measure speed in heavy traffic. Statistical analysis techniques. Once data has been collected, statistical analysis techniques can be used to identify patterns and trends. Descriptive statistics such as mean, median, and modes can be used to summarize data and provide a general overview of traffic patterns. Inferential statistics such as regression analysis and hypothesis testing can be used to make a prediction about future traffic volume and identify factors that contribute to traffic congestions. Other statistical techniques used in traffic studies include time series analysis, which look at how traffic patterns change over time, and spatial analysis, which examines how traffic flow across different areas of city or region. Application in traffic forecasting. Traffic forecasting is a process of using historical data and statistical models to predict future traffic patterns. This information is used by transportation planners and engineers to design new road, highway, and intersection that can accommodate ex- expected increases in traffic volume. Forecasting technique include trends analysis, which look at historical data to identify patterns and extrapolate extrapolate them into the future, and simulation modeling, which use computer programs to simulate different sensor and predict how they will affect the traffic flow. Challenges and limitation. While statistical analysis is a powerful tool for understanding traffic pattern and forecasting future demand, there are several challenges and limitations to consider. One challenge is quality of data, as inaccurate or incomplete data can lead to flawed conclusion and ineffective solutions. And other limitation is the difficulty of predicting human behavior, as driver may change their routes or travels time in the response to changing condition. Finally, there is the challenge of balancing completing demands such as safety, efficiency, and environmental concerns when designing transportation infrastructure. Conclusion. Statistical application play a critical role in traffic studies and traffic forecasting, helping transportation planners and engineers design safer, more efficient, and more effective transportation infrastructure. By collecting and analyzing data on traffic patterns and trends, researcher can gain insight into the behavior of a driver and vehicles, and make informed decision about how to manage and improve transportation system. However, it is important to recognize the challenge and limitation of statistical analysis, and to approach traffic studies with a holistic understanding of the complex factors that shape traffic patterns and impact transportation infrastructure. Thank you.